Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Whirlpool was 40E 40,000 grain softener. Whirlpool's single tank, salt-based water softener enhances a home's water quality immediately by eliminating hard minerals from the water supply. This decreases the additional expenditures associated with replacing faucets, dishwashers, and other water-based fixtures or appliances as a result of hard water's earlier wear and tear. Because this Whirlpool water softener addresses the issue at its root, the remainder of the plumbing is not exposed to hard water. During the ion exchange process, a little amount of salt is introduced to the water, which must be replaced on a frequent basis to ensure that salt levels are maintained. This water softener has a 40,000 grain capacity and recharges automatically via a metered system. Soften your home's cold and hot water with a system that decreases hardness and clear water iron levels up to 11 parts per million, including ferrous iron that is visible to the human eye. With demand-triggered regeneration technology that calculates your home's daily water use, you may get softer water when you need it. The low salt light indication will also notify you when you need extra salt, eliminating the guessing game. Our second best water softener system is AquaSure Harmony 48,000 grains water softener. The AquaSure Harmony series water softener is a professional quality water softener that delivers ultra-softened water to every outlet in your home. An iron filter is generally included with a well water softener. This additional filter addresses the special demands of well water-supplied households by reducing the presence of iron and rust stains on sinks, tubs, and toilets. The Harmony series from AquaSure is outfitted with fine mesh resin that catches minerals including as calcium, magnesium, and iron. It can filter water with a hardness of up to 110 GPG. Choose between water softeners that can filter 32,000, 48,000, or 64,000 GPG before requiring regeneration. The regeneration cycle takes 98 minutes and utilizes 40 gallons of water. The AquaSure contains a digital control console that monitors water use and manages the frequency of regeneration, regardless of tank size. Reduces water hardness and scale development, preventing plumbing damage and extending the life of household appliances like the washing machine, dishwasher, and water heater. Rated to remove 48,000 grains of hardness by eliminating skin-damaging hard minerals such as calcium and magnesium that block skin pores and cause discomfort. Third in our list is On-the-Go 16,000 grain water softener. The On-the-Go portable double standard water softener is ideal for RVs, yachts, and buses, as well as any other situation where a water softener must be compact and portable. This water softener has the lowest grain capacity of any of the suggestions, but it compensates with a simple regeneration cycle that takes less than 30 minutes and utilizes 2 boxes of table salt. The system's huge, open mouth makes regeneration much easier. Depending on the hardness of your water, the On-the-Go has a grain capacity large enough to give between 640 and 1,600 gallons of softened water between regenerations. This 16,000 grain unit is an excellent fit and provides approximately 40% more soft water than most RV/marine units on the market. Its compact and space-saving design enables it to be fitted in even the most confined spaces. It can be readily kept in your storage bay or dockside locker. No equipment or electricity are required. A normal hose connection is used between the park faucet and your RV/marine. Number 4 in our best water softener system list is GE Water Softener System. A water softening system, when combined with water filtration components, can lower the mineral content of your water while also enhancing the smell and flavor of your drinking water. The GE GXMH31H water softener and filter in one fulfills both tasks in a single small unit. This water softener system can remove up to 120 grains of hard water per gallon and filter 31,100 grains before regeneration. When compared to other softeners, regeneration can take between 105 and 152 minutes and uses a large volume of water. On the plus side, several users have claimed that it operates silently. This 40,000 grain capacity water softener filters your home's water supply at a rate of 5,100 GPG. The simple, upfront electronic controls include a status indication and an indicator that tells how many days until the salt tank is empty, so you don't have to guess when to refill it. You can choose how soft you want your water to be. Front panel electronic controls are simple to use and include a status light indicator. Our last pick is Yarna Electronic Alternative Water Softener. The Yarna CWD24 is a patented water descaler system that treats water for the entire house. Our descaling device uses electric pulses generated within the electronic unit and controlled by a microchip to clean water. All you need is a minimum of 10 inches of free pipe space and a pipe with a maximum diameter of 1 inch. The Yarna water descaling system is fully DIY, requiring no tools or specialist assistance. Installation is straightforward, takes about 15 minutes, and requires no maintenance. This whole house water descaler is compatible with all piping types up to 1 inch thick, including iron, copper, stainless steel, plastic, PVC, PEX, and composite pipes. The Yarna CWD24 water descaler system will not remove desired minerals from the water that are beneficial to this bodies. To reduce scale accumulation in your household appliances, plumbing, and fixtures, all 3 Yarna softeners use an ion exchange method. Appliances that last longer, require less maintenance, produce softer washing, and have healthier skin and hair. Ion exchange is the most effective approach to treat water hardness in your home's well and city water. By adopting automatic regeneration, the Yarna line wastes significantly less water. That is why softeners renew only when necessary. This saves money and resources, making it ideal for a frugal or environmentally conscious household. Really useful feature with the touch of a button, you can change backwash, regeneration cycles, salt consumption, and time by connecting the control head to your phone.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!